I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. Updating your billing information on Google Pay is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Open the Google Pay app. Launch the Google Pay app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to update. Step 2. Access payment methods. Tap on your profile picture or the menu icon in the top right corner, then select payment methods from the drop-down. Step 3. Edit billing information. Find the payment method you want to update and tap on it. Look for the option to edit billing information and select. Step 4. Update your details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Note, if you see a warning about mismatched addresses, double-check that your billing address matches what your bank has on file. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating, confirm your changes by tapping the Save button. You should see a confirmation message once it is successful. That is it. You've successfully updated your billing information on Google Pay. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to revisit these steps. Happy spending!